Hi, I'm Chris with Emporia Energy, and I'm here today to talk about the View Smart Home Energy Monitor. The View is an energy monitor tool that installs into your breaker box that allows you to measure not only your whole home energy usage, but your home energy usage circuit by circuit. Once installed in your panel, the View can monitor up to 16 of the circuits in your home, sending that energy usage data to the Emporia app, which provides insights on energy usage, allowing you to reduce your energy usage to save money, or with other Emporia devices or other smart devices in your home, automate your energy usage so that you can use it less overall. For example, when paired with other devices, such as Emporia's EV charger or smart plugs, you can utilize features such as time of use scheduling, peak demand management, and excess solar charging. The View installs directly into your breaker box at home without any need for special tooling or any modification to the wiring of your system. The View system is composed of three major parts: the View itself, some small 50 amp current transformers, either 8 or 16, and some large 200 amp current transformers for your mains. The product comes in multiple variants, some with 2 or 3 large current transformers for 2 or 3 phase power systems, and 8 or 16 smaller current transformers for large or small breaker panels. For the mains input, we offer both clip-on current transformers for the wire type mains or flexible current transformers for busbar type mains, so the View product can be installed regardless of your breaker situation. Inside the box are the monitor device itself, which you can connect over Ethernet or to Wi-Fi using the included Wi-Fi antenna, a wiring harness to power the device, which is powered from the power in the breaker itself, 16 CT sensors to connect to the individual circuits in the breaker panel, 2 200 amp main CT sensors to connect to and measure the mains power coming in, a quick start guide, and a set of labels to label the breakers for what circuit they're connected to. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. And if you'd like to learn more about the View monitor or the entire Emporia home energy management system, visit emporiaenergy.com.